So we're going to do an order now, transfer between sites. In this case, you will see I'm already logged into Global Clinical Warehouse. And in this case, we're going to illustrate Labs Kingsbury trying to order transfer items from Global. So they'll phone Global and asking them for item 2.1. Global will say we've got items, they'll select a date, their transfer site is Labs Kingsbury, transfer from site is Global Clinical Warehouse. They can add some note and they can say I want to send the item stock 1. So this works exactly the same as all the other items, and in this case you will see that the item can be changed, but also it can be scanned. So highlighting the barcode, you can go enter it and you will see the items are increasing as we did. So in this case we're going to say they ordered 5. We know the site is on 19 items, so I'm going to create this and submit it. Okay, you will see this has been successful. Now if I go to my inventory levels, I expect 19 minus 5 to give me 14 items on my inventory levels for item 2 brackets 1, which are the single units. And we can see it has reduced to 14. Now shifting over to admin, which has access to Live Kingsbury, who placed an order. They can go to lab orders, awaiting internal orders, because a transfer order is an internal order. Apologies, this should be on Labs Kingsbury, and there we can see TR for transfer 9 is here, done by the lab user. I can see the items. All I need to do is confirm that I did receive it, and in this case the barcodes will also be printed on the items, and I can say done and it will successfully post. So in this case, if I go to the inventory levels, I expect only one list item 2 to be there with a quantity of 5 as we received it right now.